The TOOLCY Pressure Washer Pump is a robust replacement designed for gas power washers, offering a significant pressure range between 3,600 and 4,200 pounds per square inch, making it suitable for both residential and light commercial tasks. This pump's adjustable pressure feature, controlled by a convenient red knob, allows users to tailor the output to specific cleaning needs, ensuring versatility and efficiency in various applications like driveways and vehicles. Constructed with a fully anodized black crankcase and a solid brass pump head, the pump demonstrates exceptional durability and strength, promising a long service life. The triplex plunger design ensures a smoother and more powerful performance, reducing operational noise and enhancing the overall cleaning experience. Compatibility with a wide range of engines and models, including popular brands like Honda and Simpson, makes this pump a versatile choice for many users. The inclusion of standard fittings, 5 pressure washer nozzles, and a quick connect adapter adds convenience and flexibility to the setup process.